In America, we live by the words innocent until proven guilty. But in Tennessee, one law is in place that actually reverses that time-honored principle.
It certainly does. Where asset forfeiture is concerned, the state presumes you are guilty, and then the burden is on you to prove that you're not. Now, this law was put into place to help people fight illegal drugs, but it goes way beyond the war on drugs, and now innocent people are getting caught in the crossfire. Romanzia Humphrey needs a car for the usual reasons, which include taking her feeble husband Aussie to and from his many doctor's visits.
Have a sit down.
But that's a problem now because the state of Tennessee has taken away her car. Here's what happened. Late last year, her son Kevin Humphrey borrowed it, even though he had no valid driver's license. Mrs. Humphrey knew his license was revoked.
I nagged him constantly about it because I feel like it's a privilege to have a driver's license.
A Tennessee state trooper stopped Humphrey here on Highway 153 for speeding, then arrested him for driving on a revoked license. And he ordered the Humphreys' car seized.
He made me feel like I had done something. So I said, I haven't done anything. Why would you take my car? He said, it's the law.
And he's right. In Tennessee, police can take away vehicles used during the commission of a crime. But in this case, those crimes amounted to speeding and driving on revoked. And they were committed by Kevin Humphrey, not his mother or father. Now, Mrs. Humphrey is making monthly payments on a car the state is refusing to return.
The property is being held hostage, and they're being told that the only way that they can recover that property is to pay this ransom.
Mrs. Humphrey has had to hire attorney Ben McGowan. He believes the way the law works, the state has an incentive to make as many seizures as possible. The more cars police take away, the more money they make. Some opponents have labeled this policing for profit.
Does there appear to be an overreach of government control in this situation?
On the surface, it would absolutely appear that way.
Vince Dean is not just a member of the Tennessee State House. He is also a 27-year veteran of law enforcement. Over on the Senate side, Bo Watson agrees.
We want to catch the bad guys, and we want to make this a disincentive to the bad guys, but we don't want to unfairly punish other people.
If you got a reason, a real reason to take my property, you're welcome to it. I won't fight it. I could see it if drugs, guns, or my son was a terrorist in that car. Do it.
How can the law victimize this woman and she was not even there?
I agree with you. It's very troubling. It's very troubling. And hopefully we can look at it this year while we're in session and address it.
In the meantime, since November, Mrs. Humphrey has had no way to get her husband to and from the doctor for his appointments.
Drink it slowly.
She says the state has offered to return their car for $3,000. She calls that highway robbery.
We have more things in this county to worry about other than taking an old woman and old man's car who can't help themselves.
And just to clarify, neither Mrs. Humphrey or her husband have criminal histories, and the traffic charges against their son Kevin were dismissed. He now has a driver's license. But here we are 3 months later, the Humphreys still have nothing to drive. We're now told that their administrative hearing is set for March 13th. We'll continue to follow her case and promises we heard that the Tennessee legislature will fix the law.